Intel.com. Go to Support, Download Center. Select Memory and Storage. Under Download Type, choose Drivers. Under Operating System, select Windows 11 family. Then, select your processor generation. For 13th gen and above, you may need to sign in or register to see the results. Don't worry, I'll leave a direct download link in the description. Once you find your processor type, click Download Setup Accept Terms and save the file. Now, we need to extract the downloaded .exe file. Create a new folder. Copy the downloaded setup file into it. To extract, we'll use a command. I've also left the command in the description. Here's how. Open the folder. Click on the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. In the command prompt, paste the extraction command. After running it, you'll see a new folder with all the drivers files extracted. Next, copy this extracted folder onto your Windows Setup USB drive. Now plug the USB into the computer where you want to install Windows. Boot into your normal Windows installation. When you reach the screen where no drives are showing, click Load Driver. Browse to your USB drive. Open the SetupRST folder. Then go into Drivers. VMD. Select the driver and click OK. Give it a few seconds. And now your disk should appear. That's it. Now you can continue installing Windows normally. I hope this helped fix your problem. If it did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.